Deadlight, Dead Rising 3, Payday 2, Dead Island Riptide, Outlast, Metro Last Light, The Division, State of Decay, Hitman, Iron Brigade, Injustice, Gods Among Us, Metal Slug Roman 20, DMC, Devil May Cry, Joe Danger 2, the movie, Toy Soldiers Cold War, Monday Night Combat, Bayonetta, Split-Second Velocity, Rage, Splosion Man, Joe Danger, Comic Jumper, The Adventures of Captain Smiley, Dead Island, The Maw, Star Wars, The Force Unleashed, Shadow Warrior, Metal Slug 3, Kameo, Elements of Power, Halo Wars, Gears of War 2, Gears of War Judgment, Toy Soldiers, State of Decay 2, Darksiders Roman 2, Gears of War 3, Fallout 3, Metal Gear Solid V Ground Zeroes, PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, Star Wars, The Force Unleashed Roman 2, The Elder Scrolls Roman 4 Oblivion, Halo 5 Guardians, Wolfenstein Roman 2, The New Colossus, Ninja Gaiden Black, Darksiders, Mass Effect, Dune, Devil May Cry 4, Sea of Thieves, Rise of the Tomb Raider, Gears of War.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.